What is that? Oh, hot, hot.
Ready? Yo! That's it, man. One go, already?
Man fly this like I want see one of them something where you call it. You rock somebody have in a box somebody then buy a Walmart.
Yeah, live saving rock.
They just come to and dry things and they fly out and walk up and blow up everything.
Oh, yes, Lord. Alright, so for the persons who always like to ask, it's a Coleman 2-persons pop-up tent. It can fit 2 persons, it does fit me and my girlfriend very snugly. But I would definitely say it's a 1-person tent, really comfortably. Pop-up, quick and easy setup. You know, everybody else has set up their tents. But yeah. Yay! Yeah, I'm just gonna, last time when I went to camping with Raj, my tent had no, there was no sponge in here. I never brought my sponge. I just slept on the rocks. It was uncomfortable, but not this time. Definitely a lot more comfortable. All right, let's go help the other guys. So Raj's tent is more, I think, a lot easier to travel with because it's more compact. Mine is like a flat disc. So it all depends, but I love my tent. I might get something similar to this one as well, depending on what I'm doing. And here we have another version of tent here. We're just basically just using, you know, nature, tree stump, some rocks to create a kind of parachute effect, and yeah, that's basically it.
That's how we have camp at the night.
Yeah, why it's a tent?
Yeah, why it's a pass it,
man.
They may say it's a 2 tent now.
Let me know the beach. How will I go?
Guys, check out the structure of this tent. Right under a freaking coconut tree, guys. This is dope. This is dope. Yo, this is the wickedest tent I've ever seen. Hey, the amount of gear that I get.
You know.
That they didn't even know. Let's make 2 or 2 bird call. And they gear already.
United. Rusty Bongle. Next man I use and climb it, you know. Yeah. Like a spikes man I use and climb it. But come like hands up the man. Biting and taking.
Yo, this is probably the biggest coconut I ever seen. man, them have style, you know, man.
Plant firm and nice on, you see it?
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Right now I'm actually heading out to Bridging right here, so because I'm gonna do some traditional line fishing, which I think is just really amazing, using little and nothing to actually catch fish. Dope. What I said, first line put up?
Yeah.
Alright, walk a treat now. Oh, what's the whole method to this now?
Alright, the whole method to this now. First you have to have a sinker, where we normally use stone or cut steel, you know, kind of to keep it down underwater. Yeah. And we tie the bait like a foot away, you know, because it's mostly like fish that run on the ground. Right? Not like the one that swim in mid-waters. Yeah. So now, I have a pole. This is what let you know when there's a fish on it. Right? So we plant the pole like this. And whenever you see pole drop, you know it's something big. Yeah, so it's time to set the line.
So what do you think you're gonna catch with this now? A big snapper?
Yeah, maybe a snapper. Yeah.
How much pound?
About 10 pounds. Kind of give it a little stiffness out there. You don't want to have too much slack. That's you run too far and like go between rocks before you find out. Yeah, so you get a little stiffness. Double the line. Wrap it around 1 or 2 times. And then make sure the board has a split in it. Right? So you just put it between the split. Done. Ready?
Alright, so your boss a 10-pound snapper.
Ready.
Yo, if he catches a 10-pound snapper on this, that would be freaking dope. Yo, highly unlikely, but let's hope.
You want to order for sure.
Alright, so currently setting up this line at the moment, so tying on the leader line to this one. And bro helped me with the other one over there, so which is a great help because you guys know I'm kind of new to fishing. So, you know, the more you do it, the more experience I get, so that's going to be a vibe. Hopefully I catch something today. I don't have any bait at all. Normally I would use shrimp. Didn't get a chance to get in the shrimp, so we're going to actually use artificial, which really in Jamaica ain't worth none. Jamaican fish don't really want no artificial. No. Jamaican fish them want the real deal.
When you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day, looking so good, looking at me. something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try.
These are the eel.
Yeah, well skinned.
All the way through.
Yeah.
We already did a camping video where I showed you how to, well, Raj actually did the whole skinning of the eel, so you guys can go back to that video. I'll drop a link or something like that. That's so easy, you know. So introduce yourself to the vlog now so your girls them can know now, because they're going to ask, who is this?
Well, all my friends call me schoolboy.
Schoolboy?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or spoon. Not because I'm greedy.
It's a vibe back.
I got a PUBG pot.
Hey.
Right here.
So I remember somebody once spoke about blackfish.
Yeah.
Yeah? So what fish is a blackfish per se? Is that tilapia or what?
No, it's not really a tilapia. Tilapias are like flat fish. These are long fishes.
Okay.
You know? But they're also nice, thick, full of meat.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so most people prefer these more than the tilapias.
Okay.
Most people see me using the back of the knife, wonder what is he doing? But this knife is made specially for scaling fish.
Yeah, you can see there.
Yeah, all the grits here. Yeah.
So I remember a subscriber said that the last fish that we caught, the tilapia catch and cook, were blackfish. If you guys have ever had blackfish, drop it in the comments, let me know. This will be my first time ever eating a blackfish.
Yeah, and this is a sunfish.
It's a sunfish?
Yeah, more like his cousin.
Okay.
Yeah, relative, close relative. You know? But on this one you have a fin under his belly. This one don't. Oh. It's a round fin, this have two, this have one.
Yeah, I see it.
See the difference?
Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. So how long have you been fishing for?
Well, from ever since I was a child.
Yeah.
My father used to bring me to the beach, you know, camp out, catching all kind of fishes, you know. Yeah. So I'd adapt to the lifestyle.
Facts.
Yeah.
already know what this is, don't start.
Chef stick.
Chef stick.
Coming off from the long.
So, Jamaica, you have a thing called cock soup, you know. It call it rooster noodle.
Let me interrupt you for a moment. This spells C-O-K.
Yeah.
Cock.
Yeah.
We don't use cock noodle. We use.
What you call it? What you call
We
it?
don't read that. We use the rooster noodle. Rooster.
That me hear man say, me then we laugh. Alright guys, you might not know, but I literally walk around with a bag of seasoning. Like, whenever I travel in, this entire bag is just dedicated to seasoning. So then we need some onion. I had onions. Like, who the hell walk around with onion, dog? Yo, I walk around with onion, with garlic, with nutmeg, with ginger. I don't play games, bro. Food I always cook plus I have my calabash bowls as well. Yo, it's crazy. Anyway guys, I have a little thing here of Omnicorn, so I'll go put it into my bowl really quick so it can soak, so in the morning we actually have some omniporridge ready to go. Bad apple. Are you a prep table over here, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
Morning, sir.
It's a vibe.
Let me still hear drone fly.
That's just some serious night cooking. Alright, so what you plan to do with the eel then? What the vibe with it?
Deep fry it first.
Deep fry?
Yeah. And then we'll cook it down with a little sauce.
Okay, so it's a deep fry and a nice sauce.
Yeah.
Mother.
With some okra and them thing there.
Oh, you have okra?
Yeah man, and we have the tough crackers too much. Yeah, the spine food, you know? At that time. Yeah, leave out the spine food. Bad man, Mr. Rat box down police up for that, you know.
What you
Rat
say?
them big, you know, brother.
You say rat box dog police?
Mr. Rat box down the police and tell him.
Yo, yo.
Rat big. One day, man, I see a woman buying food for you, you see me?
Yeah.
Buying food, dog. And I look, I see Rat come there with him virgin and took up the food and say, bad people there, move.
Yo, so guys, Raj there, so I start to smoke a zine called mosquitoes. The mosquito them crazy out there, so. Bridging say, yo, mosquito them big like Jagger, you can ride them. Yo, brother. So I like to smoke also.
Yeah, I like to smoke.
Yeah.
A great cook spoon at work, you know?
Clark, now you care off is sitting.
Is someone supposed to go on?
Yeah. I'm probably. Shall I go for the other one?
No man, carry over here, sir, Raj.
Come to that one, yeah.
Look at that, Raj. One hour, sir.
Hang on, We're going to use a knife and fix it. Let me big knife. The big old sea salt there.
Just full 1 cup of salt and 2 of that in one, nothing more.
Right out of that.
Alright.
Yeah, lighting good right or something.
Now one more. I have tried
The
If I remember guys, I'll try to drop the link for that lantern in the description box and let you guys know how well it's going. It's supposed to last 18 hours, that's what they claim. I say ching chong ching.
Yeah, she's all shame. When you come to Jamaica, you have to use grape to stick to your food, eh?
So I come from Guangzhou.
I come from Jamaica, beach footla. No, chop Soai, no show.
No, it is chop Soai, you know.
No, we no use.
My GoPro. What is that? A chop saw? Oh, nice.
Suppose I have one fork, you know, man.
Nice, you fuck. Boy, more you want.
Three man in Patola. Look at that jelly bag. Yo, multi-dimensional, yeah?
Put it on now, man. Put it on them one day over there. Yeah, catch it over more. Make it hang over. Catch it cover. Just someone knows you're not dig it pot tree hard, right? Oh, sorry. We'll fire get ready now, I can even see that pot again. Okay, so I want when I think them now. Yeah, take up in our one. Cool, let's cover them. How we put them in?
You're not cool, you're not
Yeah.
It might come in so easy there, man. One season.
You have to understand the thing with the weed, brother. You spend money for the weed, dog. So you don't want nothing to waste my youth. My youth can take your money buy food, you know. No, just look funny, you know. You can take your money buy food and buy take it buy weed, no, my youth. Enough time, you know. Enough time me have money, you know.
Yeah.
I'm hungry, you know. Enough food in the house, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
And you know, say, me have money can cook dinner, I take it buy weed, my youth. And my youth, I could take it buy time, I could take it food, my youth, I take it buy weed, my youth. Hoping that my mother buy something to cook, my youth. And then your weed go waste, my youth. And then you're probably hungry for the pie too. No, man, I don't need something.
Bro. Smaller?
Yeah, man, it's a family.
So,
our black one.
catch, bro.
Yeah, them are all different colors. Brown, black, spotty. Yeah, green eel. It's a pale eel. Nothing but eel.
All for sponsorship for Raj. Always have Maggie season. Always Maggie. Yeah, that's Maggie.
Maggie and okra and some herbs that's in there.
And head alone good for you, man. You know? Yeah. It's not fun.
Wait, what kind of base you use, Jacob?
You see him look purchase in the shop. Yeah, good. Imagine on the crackers them reaching there. Chef stick at work.
Simmer down. Control your temper. Alright guys, so basically I just had a piece of the river eel and it definitely eats a lot better than the sea kangaroo. Sea eel or whatever you want to call it. It's a lot better. Love it. Raja, you gonna take over that part now?
Yeah, man.
Where do?
Now wait till the sauce doesn't boil up good and thing.
So I gotta drop the crackers them in there.
Yeah, good old water crackers.
Ghetto.
Ghetto dump, ghetto. Oh, what?
Ghetto dumpling.
Ghetto flour.
That one I come from sea and
fact.
You just need one roaster noodle and one pack of ghetto flour. As it drop it float, it ready. Yeah.
Nice little kick to it. I like that one.
Pepper in there, just see.
Nice one.
Pepper come like in my high back when I offer them or something. This girl them want in a quarantine, you know my friend? Steam fish and okra body. Chat bad. Oh, hot, hot. You see it on YouTube, just
See that?
right here when it was being played. I'm to go to crackers then. And chew on the sauce. My boy over there, you know. Hear him. Sort out my, you know, a fancy calabash bowl, you know. One, two of them crackers there.
That's a butter dish. Sure, man, little bowl now. Jeez.
I'm gonna take some from
Hey, nice. Alright guys, so let me tell you, the river eel is really good. Like worlds beyond the sea one. The flavor was really excellent. You know, trust me, basic Jamaican herbs just go really far away, so that was a complete vibe, and I love the fact that it wasn't too spicy. Yo, everything about the dish was just great. But anyway guys, yeah, if you guys don't catch me back in our next clip, then you don't know all the things that I already remember. These three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.